They've got some freedom. Do you see my little birdies? I think there's another one. Do you see them? They blend in so well. And then if I go, excuse my yard, it's a mess right now. But then we got little smudgies. They're having so much fun out here. I love my little birdies. My triplets are hilarious though. They're so cute, my little grays. So fluffies. There's Fluffer. She's the one that sounds like a chicken. She's starting to cluck cluck a little.